Serious, I feel like there's like some sort of radio wave in front of me. I can't see it because I'm hearing like a sound, like really heightened, in particular times. And I'm like, wow, what on earth could that be, and it sort of makes me jump because I'm not usually so jumpy. So it's one of those days where I feel like, a little bit of, maybe a ghost hanging around or something. But, it's funny because I'm sort of hearing like little sounds and pitches and very distinctly, and it's sort of coming off in a wave. So it's really weird um to be able to hear like the sound really clearly just for a second, and then it goes away and then it comes back, and you're like, wow, that is some sort of distorted wave signal, and yeah, so it's like really tripping me out because I'm just trying to do some studies and I'm keep getting distracted by this sound that seems to be coming from like around this space here, and I'm like, wow, because I heard a bird song before, and just now like I heard this clarity of sound. So it was an alteration of a sound wave that was very clear for an instant, and then it went away, and I was like, wow, that's like really trippy, because it's really abnormal to hear things like that, and I'm like listening with my ear, and I'm like, oh, that's just freaking me out. I kind of want to go out and run out the door, sort of thing. I don't want to deal with any ghosts today, but I'm trying to study, so I'll just stick with it. Nothing's falling over or anything, but yeah, I'm kind of feeling like, maybe there's something around in the atmosphere or something. I mean, there always is, but I mean something that's making all the sound alterations and waves, and maybe even a little chirpy sound. I don't know, but yeah, it's making me feel a bit weird. Like I don't quite feel like I'm alone in some way, and I'm like going, oh, that's so scary, because you can see there's nothing here, but I'm sort of sensing all this stuff, and there's no ghosts at the door or anything, but yeah, but I don't want to see any ghosts either. But I'm just noticing, and I'm like, wow, that's really trippy.